Oh, hey guys, how's it going? In this video, we're going to talk about microphones here. And the microphones we're going to be talking about is a shotgun microphone. We're going to talk about studio microphones. And then we're even going to talk about loud microphones. And we're going to talk about the correct placement of each one of these, the upsides and downsides using to each one of these, and probably why you shouldn't be storing these in the refrigerator. Let's talk about boom microphones a little bit. Right now, if you can't tell, I actually have two different types of microphones on me. What we're going to talk about, the first one is the boom. You should see this. It's right up here. They're really, really great because you're going to hear the natural sound in the area. You're going to hear the wind blowing. They have trees above me and everything around me. You're going to hear a lot of the natural sound. That's fantastic. That's great. That when you're in an environment that suddenly starts changing and stuff, people are going to be able to hear them. This is also very directional mic. If I were to walk, maybe a little bit over here, you're not going to hear me as clearly as if I go back right head above the microphone. Hey guys, this is Editing David here. So apparently when I had shot this segment, I didn't realize how well the shotgun mic was going to pick up all the wind that was actually happening at that time. In fact, when you're using a shotgun microphone, you may want to make sure you're aware of your surroundings. The other thing that I normally do is when I'm doing any type of audio, I actually check what the audio is going to be like. I have headphones I usually put on all the time, nothing wild, nothing crazy, just the old type of Sonys that I use. And so there we are. All right, so now for the second part of our conversation, we're going to talk about loud microphones. They're very easy to put on, they're very easy to set up. Battery life on loud microphones has gotten exponentially better as time has gone on. And the really cool thing is about loud microphones, there's really no reason why they shouldn't be hidden. I see a lot of professional YouTubers out there where they're holding the mic in their hand or they're having it on the outside of their shirt right now. I'm gonna tell you right now, maybe my sound is not going to be the best because it's directly underneath my shirt, but this Rode mic that I have, I'm holding it with a piece of string. I have a piece of string around my neck, and all I'm doing is I'm putting it underneath my shirt right here. I have the wing guard over it so that, excuse me, if I move, I wrestle it, it's not going to rub across the mic, so we're not going to hear that as much. Now granted, some of the fuzziness is going to take some of the audio out, so that's a good thing.
Now we're going to come to a new type of microphone. It's actually called a studio microphone. This is an older version of a Rode studio microphone. There's a couple of really good things about it. There's superior audio quality, superior picking up my actual voice to sort of get that nice radio voice that you hear. The downside is this room that currently doesn't have a lot of treatment in it. It's a lot of hard walls, and as you know, hard walls tend to make sound bounce all over the place, but hopefully talking from the microphone, it's pretty good. This mic is exceptionally sensitive, so as I'm speaking, I'm trying to make sure I'm speaking as clear as I can. Though when you're speaking with T's and P's, you tend to pop the mic and tease the mic with your T's and P's, so you try to dumb down those when you're actually speaking into the mic. But overall, it's a really, really, really good quality for what you're trying to do. That's assuming you want to have this huge mushroom in front of me. I'm not a person to like to have something in front of me, though I do like having the headphones. I do like knowing what I sound like. So there you go. There's the third type of microphone you can actually use.